Don, after working with men, I tell the guys, please dress appropriately. Do not wear sandals. They are for the beach.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Dress appropriately, because most men don't get pedicures.
Unless you're meeting at the beach, but like...
Unless you're having a picnic at the beach or there's a party on the beach.
Right.
Then you wear the sandals. But other than that, please don't do that.
So let's talk about men getting pedicures, though, because I watch ESPN. I'm a sports fan, right? Like Greeny on Get Up was just saying that like he's never had a pedicure ever. And all the other guys who are all athletes were like, what? You've never had a pedicure? It's amazing, right? So like, no, gentlemen, you should get a pedicure. You don't have to put nail polish on, right? But like, you should really like, and honestly, years ago, because I used to do the shoe shows and I always had to get a pedicure before the shoe show, you know, as a shoe model. I was at my brother's apartment in Chelsea. My brother's gay, right? I went to the nail salon on a Saturday morning and it was packed and I was the only woman in there. And I was like, oh my God, this is amazing.
You can get it once every month. And if you're not showing your feet all the time, you don't need them all the time. But get the 1 or 2 or 3 for the summer. And even during the year, but mainly for the summer.
Well, and it's also an exceptionally pleasant experience because most of them have the massage chairs. So you sit in the chair and you get a massage and they massage your legs and your feet. And like, you know, they can do the hot wrap. And I like pedicures are pretty amazing. If you're a man watching this and you've never had a pedicure, do yourself a favor. Go get a pedicure.
Or Father's Day, ask someone to give you a gift certificate for your first pedicure.
Or take them because they might not use the gift certificate without you.
Right. Just get it done.
Yeah, and I think
well.
in general, make sure you dress well, shower, smell clean, not too much cologne. If you wear cologne, just a little bit. Like they should not smell your cologne unless they're in your arms.
Unless you have a beard, but keep it neat and clean.
Yeah.
Brush the beard, put a little beard oil on there, make it nice and neat.
Yeah. And the things that you say, because I mean, I could bore you for hours with the inappropriate things that guys have said to me. In trying to be funny sometimes, look, sarcastic humor I appreciate, but
Not on a date.
it doesn't always, especially like if you're out somewhere and you see a girl, like I've had guys come up to me and say, like I was just telling you, I mean, my last name is Barnes. I don't think that's that unusual. And I was at an event, granted it was probably 20 years ago. And even more so, there wasn't an internet then. Like he says to me, what's your last name? And I said, Barnes. And he goes, Barnes. That's an unusual name. I haven't heard that. And I said, really? Barnes and Noble? Which 20 years ago was a massive store because there wasn't really the internet so much yet, right? You know, and there are still Barnes and Nobles. I was in one the other day.
Yeah, there's one, 14th Street or 17th Street.
I think there's still one at 82nd and Broadway.
I used to love Barnes and Noble. I went in there all the time, sit and read. I bought books every week.
Yeah. I was just there 2 days ago. There's one at 17th and Chestnut in Philadelphia.
Excellent.
And I think it's fairly new, which is encouraging. Yeah, I had to Google, is there a Barnes and Noble? There actually is.
Well, I have
one. There's one.
I had a date with this gentleman. He actually, and I'm not kidding, flossed his teeth at the table after dinner. He did this with one of those.
Oh, no.
And first of all, I was looking at him thinking,
Oh,
yeah. Really flossing his teeth? I thought, oh my God, I'm going to heave. It made me so sick. And of course, I shook his hand at the end of the night. There was no way his face was coming near mine. And I thought, first of all, it's our first date. You don't even, why would you think you can get away with that? And of course, Donna, I was in such shock, I couldn't even say anything because I'd never seen that before.
You know what? He's probably by himself so much that he didn't think. And that's the thing, too. If you've not been out dating and you've been by yourself a lot, get out with your friends before you start getting on dates so that you're around.
Let's see what your friends say when you pull off that little thing and you start flossing your teeth.
Go to the men's room. If you really need to do that,
Men's room.
go to the men's room. Watch the whole podcast to get the rest of this conversation.